Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to delete calls from Messenger. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Messenger app right here and then just choose the conversation, right? And as you can see, I have called the account. And if I long press on this one, nothing is happening, as well as on the video call. So you can delete your audio call or video call in this way. So we have another way, which is once you go back, on the bottom of the screen, you will see a call button, but unfortunately, that feature isn't available on my device yet. But if you have it, all you have to do is to click the call button on the bottom, and then you will see all of the list of your calls, and then all you have to do is to click the edit, and then you can now delete it one by one. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.